Hi, welcome to another new video. I hope you guys doing really well, and in this video I am going to talk about is it possible to link Instagram account to your Discord, and if possible then it will be a full guided for you, and if not then I will definitely mention you in the last of the video. So without any further ado, let's dive into the main topic. As you can see, I am on my Discord account, and here you can see this is my Discord profile. So I am going to click on user setting. Once I click over, now you can see this is the profile I have, and I need to be visit on this place in the connection section. Just click over here. Once you click over here, now it will have the access you to add accounts to your profile. Though I can say that post like the method is really simple, just you need to be understand how it works. So here you just need to be find out where is Instagram. If they provide you Instagram access, then you are allowed to add Instagram. Here you can see you can able to allow, or you can connect this profile with your Discord. So here YouTube have, Facebook has, then Epic, and also have domain. So here you can add Instagram by using this domain option. Just add your Instagram domain, instagram.com / your profile name. My will be this, and then click on next. String value did not match, validation relax. So let's go and find out the real Instagram. So just click over here. So here they don't accept Instagram yet. As of now, I can say that it is not possible to add Instagram with Discord, but you can try third-party method to install Instagram in your Discord. I hope if you love this video, and if this video was give you some information, then don't forget to subscribe our channel, and don't forget to hit the like button. Till then, have a good day.